Next step, Power BI model developer by Ásgeir Gunnarsson and use Blindbæk, a full day training at SQLBits 2023. Are you a Power BI model developer that does his modeling in Power BI Desktop? If so, this is the training day for you. We will help you to be much more productive and effective by transitioning from Power BI Desktop to Tabular Editor. We will also show you lots of cool features of Tabular Editor that make your modeling process more robust and helps you be more productive. There will be lots of hands-on exercises and a lot of good theory that will help you take back all the knowledge you need to transition to Tabular Editor. We will start by developing a simple data model and gradually introduce advanced data modeling techniques. Join the training day and become a wizard of data model development. You will learn how to implement perspectives, partitions, translations, calculation groups, object level security, best practice analyzer, advanced scripting, deployment and DevOps, and much, much more. One of your trainers is Just Blindbæk. He's a data platform MVP, an experienced Power BI coach and a trainer. He's the founder of Danish Power BI user group and an organizer of Power BI Next Step and Power BI Cruise. Your other trainer will be Ásgeir Gunnarsson, a data platform MVP, a co-author of Power BI Administration book, a founder of the Icelandic Power BI user group, and a co-organizer of Power BI Next Step and Power BI Cruise with Just. We really look forward to seeing you in March in Wales for Next Step Power BI Tabular Model Development at SQLBits 2023.